Hello everybody. I know the title suggests that this is a Relusion problem, but actually it's not a Relusion problem. It's an NVIDIA update problem that affects every software that has anything to do with 3D. So if you are basically playing games, for instance, and the game is quitting on you, that's your problem. So what happened was I was trying to start CC3 and iClone 7. They would show the logo on the screen and for a few seconds, and then they would quit on me. I wouldn't even start the program. So after a lot of search online and a little bit of a struggle, I finally figured out what to do and what was happening. And the way I did this is basically by going here in the starts, right clicking and doing a search for event viewer. So it's gonna pop up here right in the first option. Then you just go administrative events here, and you will be able to see what's going on. Now I was having this problem yesterday somewhere around 11:30. So this is what was going on here. Like as you can see here, character creator executable version blah blah blah. It wouldn't start. It was having a problem, and it was complaining about this module here, NVWQF2UMX DLL, and this is the update from NVIDIA. So I did a search online to see how I could resolve this problem, and basically everybody was saying that this is a common problem with the NVIDIA updates. Since I did the update the day before I start running CC3, I basically just, like the fix I did was just right clicking on the window menu here, go under device manager, then under display adapters choose NVIDIA GeForce here, right click on it, go properties, and then under events here I could actually see that exactly this module is exactly what was causing the problem, because the latest update that I did, it was basically installing that, like NVIDIA installed that automatically, and since then I couldn't run the programs. To fix this, you just go under drive, and then you click in rollback driver, so you go back to the previous version of NVIDIA of this particular module, and things should start working again. So that's basically how I fix the problem. Now if I go under if I call CC3 here, everything should start. Like it would quit right here, it would show this image here, and then it would quit. It wouldn't even start. But once I rolled back the updates, now everything works just fine. And the same thing goes for iClone 7 as well. So there it is. I hope this video can help you, and if you run into this problem, maybe this is one solution for you. I know it worked for me, and good luck. But the problem wasn't Relusion. The problem was NVIDIA update. All right. Thank you very much, and keep playing.